In my book, there's nothing like the gorgeous shine of stone after it's been cleaned and polished. Natural stone has become one of the most popular surface choices for today's homes. So what's the secret to getting and keeping that dramatic, light-reflecting shine we all love? It's easy when you follow the prescription for protection from Rock Doctor. 3 easy steps: clean daily, polish once or twice a week, seal once a year. That's all you need to keep your natural stone surfaces looking as good as the day they were installed.
The Rock Doctor Granite Cleaning System is available at these home centers or retailers.